students, in this video we are going to see about friendship. So it is from 8th standard unit 2 prose friendship. So clear? So this is a story between Ashif and Vetri. So this is a story about a friendship. Clear? So see the first section. Vetri was once a successful businessman in Coimbatore. Vetri Construction was once a leading construction company. His company constructed many shopping complexes, houses and a few apartments in and around Coimbatore. Everything went well until his father died. After his father's death, his brother demanded to split the wealth as they wanted to start their business separately. So see here, first paragraph, it is about Vetri. So Vetri was once a successful businessman in Coimbatore. So who was Vetri? Vetri was a successful businessman. Clear? Vetri Construction. So what was the name of this his construction? Vetri Construction. Vetri Construction was once a leading construction company. His company constructed many shopping complexes, houses and a few apartments in and around Coimbatore. So his company, whose company? Vetri's company. Vetri's company constructed many shopping complexes. Complexes means what? Consisting of many different and connected parts. ஸோ அதாவது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இப்போ வந்து ஷாப்பிங் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸஸ்லாம் நீங்கள் பார்த்துருப்பீங்க, அந்த ஃபீனிக்ஸ் மாலு, இஏ, நிறைய ஷாப்பிங் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸஸில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எல்லாமே ஒரே இடத்துல இருக்கும். தியேட்டர்ஸு, மால்ஸு, ரெஸ்டாரண்ட்ஸு எல்லாமே ஒரே இடத்துல இருக்கும். ஸோ அதுதான் என்னதுன்னா காம்ப்ளெக்ஸஸ். Houses and a few apartments in and around Coimbatore. Everything went well until his father died. After his father's death, his brothers demanded to split the wealth as they wanted to start their business separately. So everything went on well. So one day what happened? His father died. So after his father's death, his brothers demanded. So demanded means what? Ask authoritatively. ஸோ ஆஸ்க் அத்தாரிட்டிவ்லின்னு என்னதுன்னா அதிகாரத்தோட கேட்குறது. ஸோ அப்பா இறந்துட்டார்ல சொல்லிட்டு என்ன பண்ணுறாங்கன்னா அதிகாரத்தோட தே வாண்ட் டு ஸ்பிளிட் த வெல்த். ஸோ ஹியர் வெல்த் ரெஃபர்ஸ் டு ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ். அவங்களோட ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸை வந்து டிவைட் பண்ணுறதுக்காக தே ஆர் ஆஸ்கிங். ஹவு தே ஆர் ஆஸ்கிங்? They are asking authoritatively as they wanted to start their business separately. They want to start their business separately so that they want to split the property. From then on, Vetri found it difficult to establish his business. So after that what happened? He found it difficult to run his business. He was not able to run his business. He took loans to run his company. So for that so he took loans from the bank to run his company, but he could not pay the loan. So what happened? He could not pay the loan. So he sold all his properties and paid the loans. To pay that loan, he sold all his properties. He sold all his properties including his house. He sold everything to pay the loans. Vetri family now lived in a very small home. So what happened? Now he became very poor. He started to live in a very small home. Vetri found a job and started to lead a normal life. So now what happened? He lost his business, he lost his property, he lost everything. So now what happened? He found a job. He started to lead a normal life. But he always longed to start a new construction company. So he always longனா என்னதுன்னா ஏங்குறது. ஸோ பிஸ்னஸ் பண்ணவங்களுக்கு திரும்ப பிஸ்னஸ் பண்ணணுன்றது என்ன வரும்? ஸோ அதுதான் என்னதுன்னா லாங். இங்கே லாங்குன்றது வந்து அட்ஜெக்டிவ் கிடையாது. ஆக்சுவலாக லாங்னா பெருசுன்னு அர்த்தம் கிடையாது. ஸோ லாங்னா என்னதுன்னா ஏங்குறது. He always longed to start a new construction company, but he did not know how to get money to start a company. But he did not know. ஸோ அவருக்கு வந்து என்னென்னா எங்கேருந்து பணம் வரும்னு அவருக்கு தெரியல. He did not know how to get money to start a company. No one was ready to lend him money. ஸோ So no one was ready to lend. So lend என்னதுன்னா to give. So யாருமே வந்து அவருக்கு வந்து பணம் கொடுத்து ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுறதுக்கு யாருமே வந்து முன் வரல. One day as he discussed with his wife said, why don't you ask your friend Ashif? So one day as he discussed with his wife, so he has discussed this thing with his wife. So he want to get a solution. So that what happened, he discussed with his wife. At that time his wife said, so what she said, why don't you ask your friend Ashif? So you have a best friend, right? So why don't you ask your friend? So what was his best friend's name? Ashif. Clear? You often said that you were good friends. So they were good friends. Once they were good friends. So his wife told him to ask his friend Ashif. Vetri replied, yes, but he is in Chennai. So where he is now? He is in Chennai. He is very busy with his business. So he is also doing business. He may be busy with his business. I don't think it would be easy to meet him. Wife asked, why don't you give it a try? So நீங்க ட்ரை பண்ணக்கூடாது. So நீ just ட்ரை பண்ணி பாருங்களேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு என்ன பண்றாங்க, his wife she just suggested. Clear? Why don't you give it a try? Vetri said, I haven't seen him for a long time. What will you think of me? So நான் அவனை பார்த்தே ரொம்ப நாள் ஆகுது, இப்போ திடீர்னு போய் ஹெல்ப்னு கேட்டா what will you think of me? என்னை பற்றி அவன் என்ன நினைப்பான்? If I ask him to help now, so இப்போ போய் நான் திடீர்னு போய் அவனை ஹெல்ப் கேட்டால் அவன் என்னை பற்றி என்ன நினைப்பான்? Wife said, then forget the idea to start a business, new business. Vetri, after deep thought, decided to meet his friend. He told his wife about his decision and took the next available train to Chennai. So what happened? He decided to go Chennai. So why he wanted to go Chennai? Because his friend is in Chennai. He want to meet his friend Ashif. So that he decided to meet his friend. So that he took the next available train to Chennai. So see the glossary, complexes. So complexes, which means consisting of many different and connected parts. I told you, isn't it? So complexesனா என்னதுன்னா ஒரு பில்டிங்கில் எல்லாமே ரெஸ்டாரண்ட்ல இருந்து தியேட்டர்ஸ்ல இருந்து பிளேயிங் ஏரியால இருந்து எல்லாமே இருக்கிற இடம் பேர் தான் என்னது, காம்ப்ளெக்ஸஸ். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் டிமாண்டட். ஸோ டிமாண்டட் மீன்ஸ் வாட்? ஆர் ஆஸ்க் அத்தாரிட்டிவ்லி. ஸோ அத்தாரிட்டிவ்லினாவே என்னது, அதிகாரத்தோட. ஸோ அதிகாரத்தோட கேட்குறதா என்னது, டிமாண்டட். எஸ்டாப்ளிஷிங். ஸோ எஸ்டாப்ளிஷிங் மீன்ஸ் வாட்? செட்டப் ஆன் அ ஃபர்ம் அண்ட் பெர்மனண்ட் பேசிஸ். ஸோ எஸ்டாப்ளிஷிங்னா என்னதுன்னா ஒரு பிஸ்னஸ் ரன் பண்ணுறதோ இல்லை ஏதோ ஒரு வந்து பெர்மனண்ட்டாக பண்ணுறது பேர் தான் என்னது, எஸ்டாப்ளிஷிங், துவங்கிறது. டிசைடட். ஸோ டிசைடட் மீன்ஸ் ஹேவிங் கிளியர் ஒப்பீனியன், முடிவெடுக்கிறது, ஒரு திடமான முடிவெடுக்கிறது தான் என்னது, டிசைடட். See the fill-ups. First one, Dash Constructions was once a leading construction. So what is the answer for this? What is the name of the construction? Vetri Construction. Yes. So Vetri Constructions was once a leading company. So decided means having clear opinion, முடிவெடுக்கிறது, ஒரு திடமான முடிவெடுக்கிறது என்னது, decided. See the fill-ups. First one, Dash Constructions was once a leading construction. So what is the answer for this? What is the name of the construction? Vetri Construction. Yes. So Vetri Constructions was once a leading company. He took a dash to run his company. So he took a loan. Yes, children. He took a loan to run his company. Vetri's friend. So Vetri's friend name. What is his name? His name is Ashif. Yes. Now section 2. So see section 2. On the way of his travel, Vetri boarded the train. So boarded means what? Get on. So get on என்னதுன்னா அந்த ட்ரெயின்ல ஏறுறது. Clear? So one day, so On the day of his travel, Vetri boarded the train. His memory went back to his school days. So what happened? ட்ரெயினில் ஏறி உட்காந்த உடனே அவரோட மெமரிஸ்லாம் எங்கே போகுது? எல்லாமே அவரோட ஸ்கூல் டேஸை நோக்கி போகுது. They lived in the beautiful village Kilakudi near Coimbatore. So here they refers to Petri and Ashif. So they lived in the beautiful village. So where they lived in a beautiful village named Kilakudi, which is in Coimbatore. The village had a middle school in the outskirts. So outskirts என்னதுன்னா